I got it.
Alright. Here, basically, all I'm doing is telling you that I work for a company. I'm a service center guy that works on small engines. My name is Mike. I'm wearing a red shirt. I'm being very quiet because I'm not sure whether or not I'm supposed to be doing this in the shop. So, yeah, I don't know. Keeping it as low profile as possible. And that's why I keep looking back. I'm looking at the door. I look like a dildo. Oh, and then I walk over here. I look around like a dildo. And I look at the phone again like a dildo. And now I'm going to explain to you that I'm working on a Remington chainsaw. Yeah. Okay, then. Now, I'm looking at my huge left tit. Oh, there's my chainsaw. Not my chainsaw. Somebody's chainsaw. It's kind of a piece of shit, but it's somebody's chainsaw. That's my hand. I put the phone over there in a secure position. Excellent angle.
What's the game?
Bubs, look, we're trying to edit my show here. Okay, first things first. What I do is grab a pan. Then I'm gonna put the old gas in. See, I think this gas that's in it.
You got Chris,
Straight garbage.
you at Chris's house?
No, we ain't in at Chrissy's house. That pan sucked. It was dirty. So instead,
Where you go? What are you doing?
I'm getting a different pan. Look, see? And I'm gonna get the chainsaw. There's a rat turd in there. That's why I threw it out. So I take this chainsaw here. I flip it over. I open it. And then I talk to myself a little bit, I guess. And then I dump out said gas. Look at the gut on that thing. I am a very large, fat man.
Do you have my number? Like,
No, I don't, baby. Hey, give me 1 second and I'll get it from you.
okay.
I need to give you my number too.
Okay.
But
Your dad's hat.
Alright, now I am doing something. Oh yeah, I don't know what I'm doing.
Libby looks dead.
It's because she's a fat piece of shit. Oh, sorry, back to the video. Sorry baby, I'm recording. Oh yeah, what I'm telling here is the tint at which your gas should be. It should be a nice, pretty, light blue, like your eyes, baby. Not the color of old dead camel piss. Alright. Now, so I take the camel piss and I look around. So I'm an idiot. And I dump it into a proper holding container.
Crazy dude.
I know it. Alright, and then I walk off camera for a long time. And I come back, and you get a great view of my huge fat gut. And here I'm telling you what the work order says. It says, won't run good. So, my job is to make it run good. So what I do is I grab these paper towels and say something about paper towels. I don't know what
New message is received from 31979555042.
And then I proceed to wipe out the inside of said pan. Then I look around and I go look outside for some apparent reason that is important. And I come back to the Remington chainsaw. Now, I'm sure I'm going to take out the spark plug. That's the air filter. The air filter was a dirty piece of shit, so I needed to order a new one of them, but I couldn't find one, so I told the customer he's going to have to find his own air filter. And I grabbed my handy dandy bar wrench. If you have a chainsaw and you don't have one of them, you need to get one. They come in handy. So I called it handy dandy. And I take the plug. I pull it out. and I look at it, and it's a dirty piece of shit. So, next step, I got a little wire wheel. You'll see. 1 second. I'm thinking real hard for some reason. I don't know why I'm thinking so hard. Yeah, see? It's dirty. Yep. Got it, dildo. Shows what you do. So, I'm going to go grab my drill today, fatty. And there it is. That's my fancy little wire wheel. And come on, fatty. Yay! It's 3 foot away, you fat cherry tomato red piece of garbage. Alright, so then I put it in my drill. Observe. After about rip my finger off. Then I take said wire wheel and I clean said spark plug. And then it's nice and pretty, shiny. I take and I hold it up to the camera to show everybody. And anytime now, fatty. Anytime now, fatty. Anytime now, fatty. Anytime now, fatty. And ching! Very nice. Very nice.
I'm like so tired.
Well, welcome back, dummy. Alright. I think what I'm getting ready to do here is start this abomination. And we'll see how this goes here. Oh, hold on.
I'm tired when you hear that. I'm supposed to be doing this here, so. But, okay. So let's see this bitch fires up. Not a fan.
Okay, so obviously what I said was not very important. So, sorry about the dumb thing. Alright, there's me turning a spark plug maybe? Oh no, I'm tightening that stupid cap up on that thing. There's me looking around, thinking about how shitty life is. And, oh god. Oh boy, look at me.
Fix it.
Oh, this might be important. Hold on.
The place charges $75 an hour for labor. That minimum half hour, no matter what. You bring here half hour, $37.50 for what I did.
Okay, basically what I said there was my shop that I work in charges $75 an hour for labor. All I've done to this is basically blew out the cylinder, cleaned the carburetor, and put new gas in it. And I have to charge a minimum of a half an hour, no matter what I do. So these people just paid $40 to clean the carburetor and put new gas in it. And trust me, I don't get paid no $40. I don't even come close to $75 an hour. The shop does, not me. So here's me looking around, acting like I can read or something. Here's me pulling that. Okay, so I'm all proud of myself. And I hold the chainsaw victoriously as I walk out the door, like a dildo. And I fling the chainsaw over my head victoriously. Actually, I didn't want to do this. I was up there for a very long time, thinking that I'm going to get it dialed in or something. It's one of the goofy carburetor adjustments where you got to get the special tool. Which I got the tool for a couple of chainsaws, but there's about probably, God, I don't even know how many different things they set up carburetors so to adjust them now. But you can't just go to the store and buy one. Like most people order them on eBay or something. You know, they come in like sets of 10 or 12. But there's other ways you can get around it too. Like I think I ended up using like little piece of old gas line or something that would just snug up around it. But if you end up having to tune your carburetor, best advice I can give you is just go slow. I'd take both your high and low setting all the way. Take it all the way until it seats. Don't crank it down until it seats. Back it out about one churn, one and a half on the high side. The high side's always the side close to the air filter. Low side's furthest from the air filter. Take them both out one and a half, and then from then on, just work on your high side and get it set, because that's where you're gonna have your most problems. But yeah, so ended up getting that running. It ran pretty good actually, other than the fact I thought an oil line was missing on it by the amount of bar oil that was coming out of that thing, and then I got to looking at reviews, and that's just how them Remingtons are. It was unreal. I sat it on the ground for a minute while I was trying to get the carburetor in tune, and it looked like a freaking, I don't know, a big black blob laying on the ground. It was all bar oil. That just how them things are. So yeah, personally, I wouldn't recommend a Remington. I think steel is the way to go. They're a little more expensive than most others, but hey, it's German engineering. Oh yeah, look at this guy. Oh, so victorious. Oh yeah. Why don't you just sit up every once in a while, fatty? Alright, that's the end of this one. And thanks for watching.
Fire it up, you know, after.
Okay, so I wasn't quite done. I'm just gonna tell you a little bit about stuff. So later on, we will chat more on the subject of chainsaws and other various machineries that like to run with proper maintenance. Excuse me? Get out of my head, dog. Okay, thank you. Oh yeah, that's a carburetor too. Alright, thank you. Maybe next time. Bye.
Can't just go anywhere and get these.